Hello, in this tutorial I will briefly introduce Linguistics and give you some basic instructions about how to download Linguistics onto your machine and start working with it. First of all, go to the Linguistics website linguistics.langs.ac.uk and you will get immediately the overview of what the tool is about. The tool is a very powerful linguistic tool that allows you to analyze very large amounts of language data, millions and billions of words. First of all, you have your download link available straight away, so you can click on download now for free, and the appropriate version of Linguistics, depending on your operating system, will be automatically selected for you, and you can just follow the instructions of the installer. When you scroll down, you have also individual versions available according to the operating system and further information in the form of instructional videos, the full manual in multiple different languages, Linguistics exercises, but also research papers that use Linguistics. When you scroll down even further, you can get in touch using a very simple help desk environment. So please go to the initial link and install Linguistics onto your local computer. When you've done that, Linguistics will appear with an example corpus pre-installed for you. You can very easily start searching it and explore Linguistics in many different ways. Linguistics is an extremely flexible tool and allows you to use different tools. By default, there's the KWIC tool, keyword in context tool, but you can add other tools such as the text tool. Below I can have a window with the GraphColl tool and even a window with the words tool to see them all at once. You can also highlight all these tools at once, control and click, and you can search them all at once. Everything that is highlighted will be active and will actively search whatever you type in the very powerful search box. You can very easily drag these around, add more windows, delete windows, or maximize windows according to your needs. So I'm going to maximize the KWIC window with the example corpus and just demonstrate the types of searches that you can type in. Obviously, you can search for any word, such as the word new, and it will appear in the relevant tool. You can search for phrases, such as New Zealand. Notice that the searches are by default case insensitive. So you can type in New Zealand lowercase, but it will automatically understand any variant of that, even that is capitalized. You can use wildcards. The asterisk means anything following new or nothing. So new, and when you click, you can see it's a new and newspaper in our corpus. You can also use smart searches. When you type in queries in all caps, I can search, for instance, for the passive construction. See all the passive constructions in my corpus. You can type a combination such as adjective, noun, verb, all caps, and you get this grammatical pattern straight away in the note position. So Linguistics allows you to search for predefined smart searches, but it also gives you the option to specify using the CQL, Corpus Query Language, what you want to search for, and this is the most advanced and more specific way of communicating with Linguistics. CQL starts with square brackets. So if I type word equals, in quotes, I need to type in new, close the square bracket. I'm searching for a word that has new inside. I can also specify the part of speech, POS equals, again in quotes, J dot asterisk, because that uses the regular expression, and I just delete the dot here, and I should be able to see new used as an adjective. There's a full CQL help available on the Linguistics website. Finally, I want to mention the opportunity for you to add corpora very easily. I have some corpora already preloaded on my computer, but you can add corpora either from the Corpus hub, where you can download corpora such as the British National Corpus 2014. You can add your own data, where you locate your data on your computer, write the name of the corpus, select the language, and decide whether you want grammatical and semantic annotation of the corpus. Or you can use the web scraping functionality of Linguistics, where you type in the name of the corpus, choose the language, start with some initial URLs, decide on how many websites you want to scrape, the depth, how many websites removed from your initial URLs you are interested in to follow the external links, and so on and so forth, and hit create corpus. So there are different but very simple ways in which you can interact with Linguistics X and add new data and explore the data in any way you like. Thank you very much for listening to this lecture.